Hello everyone, welcome to the YAIN STEM Virtual Fun Hub, where we explore, imagine, discover and create. I'm Thomas Edison, and with me in the hub today is Miss Lois Brill.
Hello everybody. I'm so happy to be here again with you guys. I hope you're staying safe at home. Thank you.
Wow, Ms. Brill, you're welcome to STEM Hub today.
Yeah, I'm so
it's good
happy
to have you today.
Thank you so much.
You're
I'm
welcome.
so happy to be here.
Alright guys, now into this challenge we shall be exploring the concept of polymer science. Woo! Now polymers are found everywhere, from our food to our clothes. You will learn exactly what polymers are, as well as experiment with some common types of polymers. But what are polymers? Have you ever heard the tale of the three little pigs? This fable shows that building a house from bricks is far better than sticks or straw. Now, if you look closely at a brick house, you will see that each brick is uniform. They are layered in a repeated pattern to design that house. Bricks can be used to build many structures, from sidewalks to very large buildings. There are many structures found in nature or made by humans that are made in a similar way, like polymers. Polymers are very big molecules made up of many small molecules layered together in a repeating pattern. In fact, the word polymer is Greek for many parts. The small molecules that come together to form polymers are called monomers, which are small units that link together over and over to form a larger polymer. Now think of a monomer like paper clips that link together to form a chain, and the chain is called a polymer. Now here's a big challenge for the day. And by the way, Ms. Brady, welcome back to the show.
Thank you. So happy to see you guys again.
Alright, thank you. Now before we actually go ahead with the challenge for the day, we want to invite a very unique scientist in the house, talking about Precious Emmanuel. Precious, you're welcome.
Hello guys.
Everybody welcome. Okay, now like we said before, now we have a challenge on the ground, and we want to see how we can actually poke a balloon with a skewer or a chopstick without the balloon popping. Precious, is it possible to poke a balloon with a chopstick like this without it popping?
It's possible.
You think so?
Yes.
Wow.
Wow, I want to see that work, right? Now let's see Precious actually carry out an experiment from the knowledge of polymer science. Now let's go. She has a balloon right there, okay? And she's inflating the balloon right now.
Are you sure this
Let's see what she's
work?
gonna do. I
Wow.
hope it works. I hope it works. And
Wow.
she's knotting it right now, as you can see. Knotting it. After inflating the balloon, she knots it.
Wow.
And what does you have to do right now?
Take my chop.
She takes a chopstick, trying to poke a balloon with a chopstick without the balloon popping. Now, what do we have on the table, Precious? What do we have on the table, Precious?
We have a soup
Okay.
and a glue.
Okay, let's see what you're gonna do right now. We have a soap and a glycerin liquid. The soap is this one right here, and this is a glycerin liquid, okay? And let's see what you're gonna do right now. Go ahead. And she pierces or inserts the chopstick into the dish soap, alright? And then what else again? She inserts the same chopstick into the glycerin. Wow! And she's about to try the challenge for the day. Let's see what she does right now.
Wow.
Are you sure we can poke this balloon without it popping? Oh, I'm scared.
Miss Precious, are you sure this is going to work?
I'm so scared, trust me.
This is scared.
Oh, I think I should try it too. Whoa!
Wow.
She just did that?
Wow.
Did you see that?
Oh
She
my
just
God.
poked the first part of the balloon.
Wow.
Whoa! That is exciting!
Roll it up,
Wow.
roll it up,
Whoa.
and let it go. Pa, 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 pa. Your
You
brain is working.
Check it
Trivial.
out. Wow, guys, did you see that?
Wow.
Precious just poked a balloon with a chopstick without the balloon popping. I can't wait to try this.
Ooh.
Come on, let's go and try it right now,
Let's
right away.
try.
Now I have my chopstick right now. Okay. I insert it into my dish soap like this. Now it's a dish soap, okay? You can use Money Fresh, you need a dish soap, and then my glycerin. Now if you don't have a glycerin, you can actually use granite oil or what we call vegetable oil, okay? And then let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. You want to try this, Miss Brill?
Yeah.
Okay, please go ahead and try it. Yeah, go ahead and try it. Let's see what's gonna happen because she just did that. I've just gotta get my own too.
Wow.
Let's see. Whoa! You just see that?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Wow.
Polymer science is interesting. I've gotta get mine done too.
Can't be there.
Wow.
Oh, let's see Mr. Thomas Edison.
So guys, you can see the challenge for today. As you just see, Miss Brill and Precious just did that to just poke their balloons with a chopstick without the balloon popping. Now, thanks to Polymer science.